Hi, this is Steve with Dive Rescue International. Today we're going to be talking about the DRI Ice Rescue Carabiner. It features lightweight aluminum construction with the ability to create a captive eye by installing the included pin. First, attach the sling to the carabiner. Second, insert the included pin here. Tapping with a hammer secures the pin in place, which keeps the sling properly attached. It also has a wide gate for easy one-hand operation to attach the carabiner to the sling. And remember, quality training and equipment saves lives. For more information on any of our products or training, contact us at Dive Rescue International.